Look, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm tired of this. You're tired of this. You set me for 6:00 a.m. every night like you're actually gonna go for a run. We both know that's a lie. You're tired of this. You're just gonna hit snooze, dream about being rich for 9 minutes, and then wake up even angrier. Just get up. For me, I want to stop screaming at you as much as you want me to shut up. Alright, see you at 6:10? Comment get up if you're watching this from bed right now. You're tired of this. So, what's holding you back?